Welcome to the DecimalChain channel. Today let's take a look at the case of tokenization of loyalty points. It would be useful for businesses and entrepreneurs who want to increase the involvement of their customers and expand their marketing activity. So, tokenization implies the creation of an own token, which serves as an internal scoring system. In order to monitor all coins so that they could not be bought through the conversion section in the console, when creating specify the value of initial issue equal to maximum issue. The full process of token creation, as well as choice of characteristics, have already been described in other video instructions on this channel. I would give you a hint and a link under this video. Enjoy watching. And so, we have tokens. Now let's go back to loyalty points. There may be two options here. You already have a working loyalty points system, and another one is when you are at the implementation stage. Let's start with the first one, when you have already come up with and integrated the process of accrual and deduction of points from your customers. Here we need to synchronize the customer databases of your software and blockchain. To do this, create an additional cell in your database for each client. It is necessary to specify the following data in it: the wallet created on the blockchain specifically for the client, and the balance of tokens, which will be equal to the number of points that the client already has. The user's wallet address itself can be printed on a plastic card and given to the client. To make it easy for reading, translate it into a QR code. Now that each client has his own wallet on the DecimalChain blockchain, set up an internal system for charging and debiting tokens. These can be done through a technical wallet that has enough tokens on its balance. When points are awarded to the client, a transaction is programmatically sent from this wallet to the user's one. And when debiting, we go the other way around. In this case, you get full control of accounting for all points through the blockchain, where transactions are saved forever. Let's take a look what happens when you don't have a working point system, but you already have customers. In this case, you need to decide whether you will train your users to use cryptocurrency or not. If yes, then you can use the created tokens as a reward for certain actions, for example for reviews or comments, or when the cryptocurrency is credited with a cashback for purchases. At the same time, for easy using in advertising activities, tokens can be packed in checks. To activate your check, user will need the check address and password and activation instructions. To make the process more like a game, you can encrypt the password or address in riddles and quests. And a simple option is to invest in the product or to issue instructions for activating your check when selling. User needs help when implementing the received tokens. To do this, for example, you can make a partial payment with tokens of your product or sell privileges in your company for accumulated points, for example, a discount or additional services. In case there's a user that, in your opinion, is not ready to learn how to work with cryptocurrency, you will need to implement a visual component that is a personal account where tokens and operations with them will be visible. And the processes of accrual, write-off and sale of tokens you need to take over by creating an app for working with cryptocurrency. So we have reviewed the process of tokenization of loyalty points. At the same time, in these options, the issue of tokens was equal to the maximum issue. All tokens belong to you and you have full control over their movements. And if you wish to release tokens to the free market by raising the issue, then any user of the Decimal ecosystem will be able to buy your token and invest in your company. And in case you have a system in which your tokens are bought more often than sold, the price will also grow and it can become an additional inflow of investments in the development and improvement of your business. And the information on how to use blockchain and cryptocurrencies as investments I will give you in the following videos. And so that you don't miss new ideas of implementing blockchain in your business, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. All sorts of communication and questions in the comments below. And if everything is clear to you and you have already want to go to implement this idea, then I will be pleased to see your thanks. Wish you successful work with blockchain and see you in the following videos.